In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an intake process in Airtable. We're going to build a clean, reliable intake flow by starting with one of Airtable's ready-made templates and then tailoring it to your needs. This approach is fast, beginner-friendly, and gives you a solid structure you can refine over time. Begin by heading to the Airtable website. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, you'll see a workspace with your existing bases on the right and a navigation area on the left. That left sidebar is where we'll find what we need next. Look for templates and apps on the left side and click it. This opens Airtable's gallery of solutions, pre-built bases that already include tables, fields, views, and forms designed around common workflows. You can explore by category if you want to see everything that's available, or jump straight to search to get exactly what you need. In the search bar, type intake. This narrows down the gallery to templates built for capturing requests and collecting structured information. Searching keeps you focused and saves time compared to browsing through unrelated categories. From the results, select the Legal Client General Intake Form template. Even if you're not in the legal field, this template is a great foundation for any kind of intake because it already includes a form, a main table for submissions, and useful example fields. You can preview the layout to confirm it's close to what you need. Click Try this template. Airtable will create a copy in your workspace so you can edit it safely without affecting the original. After it opens, you'll see a base with tables, fields, and at least one form view ready to collect information right away. Now make your edits. Rename the base and tables to match your process. Adjust field names to use the language your team uses, and set the right field types. Single select for statuses, long text for descriptions, checkboxes for simple yes, no answers, and dates for deadlines. Reorder columns so the most important details show up first. Open the form view, drag questions into a logical sequence, and mark any must-have fields as required. Add clear help text where people might get confused and remove or hide anything that isn't relevant. If you're unsure about deleting a field, hide it first so you can bring it back later. As you refine, create filtered views that group or sort submissions by priority or status, which makes triage easier. And that's it. You've used Airtable's template gallery, launched a proven intake base, and customized it to fit your workflow. Save your changes. Airtable does this automatically, and you're ready to start collecting clean, consistent submissions.